Hello, I am Vlora Prenaj. I want to present the paper Analysis of Supply and Demand between Companies and Vocational Training. This research is related to the problem and consequences of inconsistency in the labor market for the vocational training system in Kosovo to be at the service of building human capital, competitiveness, and economic growth. Reforms of the system are needed, encouraging better cooperation between employers and vocational schools. Kosovo is a small country with about 1.8 million inhabitants, has the lowest standard of living in the Western Balkans, but has the youngest generation, which is estimated to have significant potential for the development of human capital. Kosovo is the country with the youngest population in Europe, but the need for companies, for employees with vocational training, and the lack of new jobs is a gap between vocational training and the requirements of the labor market. This gap between them is one of the challenges that still affects the higher percentage of unemployment in Kosovo. The main purpose of this study is to analyze the supply and demand between companies and vocational training in Kosovo, and the specific objectives related to the main purpose are personal development of individuals, the decrease of unemployment in our country, meeting the needs of market, and the economic development of the country. Research questions. The first one is, why do individuals choose vocational education instead vocational training? How are individuals with vocational training oriented according to regions in Kosovo? What are the gaps that individuals with vocational training are not ready for the labor market? What kind of cooperation is there between companies and vocational school? Should there be a cooperation agreement between them? And what professional skills are most in demand by companies? Are vocational school curricula in line with market demands? Research methodology, distribution of the questionnaire on company, interviews with vocational school, and the data analysis. The questionnaire was in 202 companies, and the interview was in 20 vocational schools. Vocational training in Kosovo. The law number 04/L138 regulates the vocational training system in accordance with the needs of the economic and social development of the Republic of Kosovo. The vocational and education training system in Kosovo is run by the state. The main local actor is the Ministry of Education, Science, Technology, and Innovation. National qualifications framework promotes quality improvement in education and training, developing qualifications that are based on comparable international standards. Vocational training in Kosovo includes two sub-measures such as institutional training and combined training. Institutional training means the training offered by 8 vocational training centers that operated under the leadership of Employment Agency of Republic of Kosovo. The combined training means cooperation with the companies for inclusion of the unemployment and job seekers in vocational training. Different qualification according to regions of the country. There are 7 regions: Prishtina, Peja, Perizaj, Prizren, Gjilan, Gjakova, and Mitrovica. You can see in the table different qualifications. Main findings from the surveyed companies. In the graph, you can see the activities of the companies. There are results of the frequency distribution of companies by activity. Personal, scientific, and technological activities are needed. and then financial activities and insurance, while other activities are presented next. Based on the question addressed to the companies, in which category of enterprises is your company, you can see the results of the respondents in this graph. Micro enterprises and small enterprises had the largest participation, then medium and large enterprises. When microenterprises include enterprises from 1 to 9 employees, while small enterprises include the number from 10 to 49 employees. From the total number of respondents, 53 of them are women and 47 are men. And the age of the respondents is divided into 6 categories. 33% was the participation of respondents aged 31 to 40 years, while 32.2 of them aged 41 to 50. Company statement on the demand for employees with a vocational training through the question. Is it important for the company to have employees with vocational training? The question 2, does your company still have demand for vocational training? The questions 3, does your company need employees with vocational training rather than vocational education? Is your company having trouble finding employees with vocational training? Companies have a lot of need for employees with vocational training, and the difficulty of finding employees is increasing. And companies have more need for employees with vocational training than education. One reason is leaving employees from Kosovo or immigration. The question offer for employment in the company depend on experience, depend on gender, and depend on age. From the answers, you can see that experience and age are important for the company, but gender is not so important. It depends on some activities of the company. The company's demand for employees with vocational training. Through the question, do the company or do the nature of the work or company requires more young employees? Do they have a physical work or company requires male employee? Do they have a physical work or company require male employees? Do the nature of the work or company needs more experienced employees? The client of our business trusts the female employees more. The client of our business are more confident in their male employees. And the last one, the working hours do not suit the female employees. Their answers were based on business activity, in addition to business experience, which was required by most companies. According to supply of vocational school, through the question, does your company cooperate with any vocational school? Do vocational schools offer courses that appropriate your company's needs? Are the vocational school programs in curricula with your demand? Do you have a cooperation agreement with any vocational school? And the last one, should there be cooperating agreements between companies and between vocational schools? In general, companies do not cooperate with vocational school. Most of them do not have cooperation agreement. Some vocational school programs are in curricula with their demand. In addition to the questionnaires, we conducted 20 interviews through vocational school. 20 interviews in 20 vocational schools. Based on the result of the interviews addressed to vocational school, we can see that the number of candidates is increasing in some qualifications, while in order there is a decrease. Candidates choose vocational education instead of vocational training because their family influenced them to have a diploma degree. Companies have few cooperation agreements with vocational school. Companies do not require candidates from vocational school. Vocational training has an impact on increasing employment of individuals in the country. Some of the candidates with vocational training tend to go abroad or to immigrate. Candidates with vocational training generally require certificates. Candidates are informed about the courses or candidates are informed about the courses offered by vocational school through social media, social network, and through candidates who have been a part of training in that school. And the last part is our conclusions, where we can see the conclusion of the research. Curriculum of vocational school must be continuously monitored so that they are in curricula with the demand of labor market. It is also important to monitor the activity of counseling and career guidance centers at the municipality level, as well as equip other municipalities with such centers. There must be a collaboration between companies and vocational schools. They should sign cooperation agreement between them so that the schools offer the courses that the companies need. Thank you very much. Thank you.